Hi everyone, welcome back or welcome to today's video. I am so excited. We are opening up Vellabox and I got so excited I didn't do my little intro. If you're new, hi, I'm Kitty. I love subscription boxes like Vellabox and I open them every day around 5 p.m. Eastern time here on our channel. So if you like them too, I hope you consider subscribing before you go. One thing I've been subscribed to for a long time is Vellabox. My mom too, and I also get sent to me in PR. Yep, I get PR and myself because I love it that much. They recently made some updates to their subscription service. I talked about it more in last month's video if you guys want to catch that, but now with the $30 box, the more expensive box, you get one large candle that lasts forever. I can vouch on that. It smells so good. Last month in December, we're opening the January box, by the way, if I didn't mention that. Why am I so excited? And this is like the 5th video in a row I filmed, and I'm like getting more excited each video. But their candle subscriptions start at $10 to $30, and I do have a code with Vellabox. Thank you in advance if you use it, but I totally recommend them. And you get $5 off with that code, kittysboxes in all caps, and it works on any of the subscription plans. And something new with the updates they have is that you can actually have a scent profile and let them know what scent you would like in your box. So I know some people are particular about that, so I think that is a great update to their service. All of their candles come from local artisans in the United States, and they're all made in small batches, and they're free of any toxins. Back in the day, I didn't realize that like some candles have bad stuff in it, and you're like literally like lighting it in your home with all the windows closed sometimes around this time of year too, and breathing that in. So you don't have to worry about any of that icky stuff. They're actually a super sustainable company. Their packaging, they use minimal packaging. It's all eco-friendly. I loved working with Vellabox, and like I've said, I supported them even before I started working with them. So love it. Oh, and I like how they just like supported everything I just said right here. They support small artisans, spreading light from small and local makers to our large candle-loving community. Thanks for supporting small businesses. Artisan-made, luxury scents, elevated design, eco-friendly packaging, natural ingredients. Recycle after use. I love the reminder. I mean, like, I'm all about that. I feel like legit like guilt if I like throw away something that I shouldn't be recycling. They have a recycling thing at my complex, but it's like all the way far away, and I'm like, okay, first world problems. Like, they have trash valet here, so they pick up trash but not recycling. So I'm like, that'll just be like my little workout every day. I'll walk over to the trash thing. I mean, the recycling bin. First world problems. I'm so grateful that they have recycling here. But recycle after use. We keep packaging minimal in an effort to cut down any unnecessary waste. We encourage you to recycle your box and reuse it. You know, I'm all about that. I try and reuse everything, but I try not to be like a hoarder status, because sometimes I like save so many boxes, like, and I'm like, okay, just gotta break some down and recycle them. But this box is perfect size for what comes inside it, seriously. Oh, and I didn't mention that the candles come in this canvas bag too that you can reuse. I reuse them all the time, like to ship out like Mercari things or gifts like to family and friends. And there's always this little thing here that has a quote that you can, it's like just stuck on. You can take it off and then like hang it up somewhere. I do that all the time. Let's see what it says this month. Reset, realign, restart, reclaim, reignite. Vellabox. Cool. And there's something to scan here. I think it's for Spotify, and they have an Ultimate Vibe playlist. January 22 playlist on Spotify. I've never scanned a Spotify thing like this before, but like looks like sound waves. That's so cool. I know I'm like such an old lady sometimes in terms of like that stuff, but isn't that cool? They have a playlist we can do that with. Listen while you burn. That makes me think of burning something else. Listen while you burn for the ultimate vibe. Oh my god, I can't wait to see what our camera is. So here, and then, oh, there's always a little bonus gift in all of the subscriptions, no matter what size you subscribe to. So I don't know what this is. That's cool. A little baggie. And then here's a little card that tells us where our candles are from. But here is the canvas bag. It's by Kin & Care. Oh yeah, I think, or is that the other? Oh my gosh. And it gives you all the options here for whatever scent you chose. I have no idea what I got. I think I told them, or they like gave me the option. I was like, they all sound so good, I don't care. Like, so I don't really know what's in mine. But Kin & Care was created when 2 immigrant women bonded while expressing empathy for the challenges they experienced and trying to find opportunities within their new homes in the U.S. That's beautiful and amazing. They're based out of Washington, D.C. That's so cool. Good for them. I hope they succeed and do amazing. And congrats for being featured in Vellabox. Let's look at our candles. So they have 4 different kinds of scent profiles for this one particularly, you could have chosen woodsy, floral, sweet and spice, or fresh and herbal. Or it would have been a surprise if you said you like everything on the profile. You can pick and choose. It's not like you just choose one thing. And oh my god, look how big this is. That's what she said. So made in Maryland by refugees, fir and cedar is the one I got. Oh, that's so wintry. I love it. Made out of 100% soy wax and clean fragrance. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. Are you ready for me to read the description? Take a deep breath in and imagine. Sorry, I'm laughing at myself. Grounded in notes of warm, earthy woods, topped off with a light touch of lemon zest. An enchanting scent you won't be able to get enough of during these winter months. Notes of cypress, lemon zest, cedar, evergreen, fir, and amber. I effing love this. I love it so much. I'm so glad I got this one, even though all the other ones sound great. And this is for fans of woodsy scents. The one for floral will be Winter Rose, and that has scents of violet rose, jasmine, fir, oak moss, and musk. And there's little QR codes you can scan to get more information or purchase or something. Scan for repurchase, yeah. And then fig and patchouli. Oh my god, they all sound so good. And then finally, white tea and driftwood. Fuck yeah, it smells so good. Excuse my French, but oh my god, I just want to sit here and be like, hey guys. Oh my god, it smells so good. I don't think I have any candles going on now. About to. Do I have a layer newberry? No, it's over there. But I love this subscription, you guys. So, definitely recommend, of course. Link down below. Thank you in advance if you use it. Thank you, Vellabox, for sending me your subscription. They gave me some little clues about what's coming next month, and I can't even remember what I picked again because my brain, but also I just get so excited about things, and I get so many things in the mail, but the scents for February sound pretty damn bomb, too. Just putting it out there, but gotta keep my lips zipped. And they also sell individual candles on their website and other things like a snuffer you can get. I didn't know the name of that until semi-recently. That's the thing that put out the flame. Because, you know, in some like rituals and stuff, people say you shouldn't blow out. Or it's like better for the candle health. I don't know. But just saying they have all that stuff on their website, so check it out. But thanks again, you guys, for being here. I hope you're all well. I hope you're safe and healthy. Let me know how you're doing down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Bye.